Hey guys, Joe here from the Black Rock Central Railroad again with another mail call. This will be a quickie from Jason the Train Freak. Ordered a couple more cars off of his for sale page that he had listed there for stuff that he had no use for. And I think he got this put in the mail on Tuesday, and today's Thursday, so not bad shipping again there, Jason. I know what's in here, but nobody else does. We have papers, a lot of papers, and we have 3 Walther's mainline cars. So we'll get these pulled out of the box here, and then we'll let you see what we bought. Here again, they didn't fit his time frame, but I believe they do fit mine. I can't really see the build date on this one here, but let's see what we got here. All 3 of these are the same, just different road numbers. So we'll pull one of them out of the box here. And let everybody see what I got. Ooh, a little bit late. 1981. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, 1981. It's about a year out of my vintage there, but oh, that one's 1980, so that's close enough. This one's still wrapped up, never even been out of the box. Jason said he hadn't put these on his layout at all, but we got here a couple of gondolas, because I don't have any gondolas. Well, I do have one, but there we see what it is. Reporting marks on this one are B&O, SBD, I'm not sure who they are, but that's okay, and Chicago Northwestern. So they'll go good behind the train. We'll run them. Maybe put enough dirt on there where you don't see the production date, so you won't know when they were actually made anyway. But just thought I'd show you what we got there. Like I said, quickie video. Nothing big happening, and thanks for watching, and we'll talk at y'all later. Bye for now. Okay, back for a little quickie. Just let you see what we got here. Let the camera focus. One for B&O. The SBD turns out to be the old Seaboard lines. And Chicago and Northwestern. So Jason, I thank you much. Hope you get rid of everything else that you wanted to. And that's all I need for now. So again, thanks for tuning in. This is Joe from the Black Rock Central Railroad. Catch y'all later. Bye for now.